Welcome back to Creating with Poe Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove all the grayscale and all those um, background colors that we don't need on this image to make it an actual coloring page. I designed this image in Canva Dream Lab. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try to remove the background. You see, it removed the beige color it had. You see the beige color here, it removed it, but still we have grayscale. What we're going to do, we're going to select the image, like you select the image, and you go to edit, and you go to adjust right here, and you go down, and you go to brightness, make it brighter. You see that it's coming in. If you want to, you can also do this like contrast. Okay, we don't want that, we want this highlights. You see that? Shadows, let's go to shadows. Like we want to make the shadows, we want to minimize it, this right here and here. Look at it, look how it changes. The more you go to the back, the darker it becomes, but when you go, you see you're minimizing it. Whites, you want it to be white. You see that? It's going away. We want the blacks to be black. Okay, it's coming back. Let's see, let's keep it here, kinda. Let's see. Keep it here. Or maybe we can leave it here, like a little bit here. And let's go here. Saturation. You take saturation to the back. You see this here? We don't have it in it anymore, but we can also we can click on it. And when you go and take saturation to the back, let's see, brightness. Okay, this doesn't really work on here. You need to play with it and such. Let's go back up here. Saturation. Okay, my saturation does not work here. Let's see. It becomes too white. No, leave it here. White shadows. Okay, take the shadow off. Brightness, let's go here. Yeah, when you go here with the brightness, it will take every dark spot away. When you bring it to the back, you see it gave it a color, but when you take it to the front, it will like take every gray part away. Okay, we are not working on, no, keep it on 0. No, these two, we won't touch these. We start with bright, and then we play with it, we adjust it. Okay, we adjust it. The shadows, like I showed you, the shadows are there, but you have to bring some of them when you adjust it and you adjust another, sometimes it will cancel the first one you did, because they are opposites of each other. And then they will cancel each other too. Okay. So in light here, you can adjust it, and then you come to this one here. Let's see, brightness. It doesn't really do anything. Okay, but also when you design your images in there, you have to like generate images until you find what you want. Okay, this is one of them with grayscale, but sometimes they can come out really well. I will have a separate video to show you how you can generate coloring pages in Canva Dream Lab. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.